Most people have heard of Bitcoin. They think it's some magic internet money, a scam, or just another stock. But here is what it really is. Bitcoin is a digital money. But unlike money in your bank app, it's not just a number on your screen controlled by a company. Your bank account is an IOU. It's a promise from a bank that your money exists. And thanks to fractional reserve banking, we know that's not always true. The bank can freeze your account, limit how much you can withdraw, charge you whatever fees they want, and watch every transaction, which they do. And when the governments print more money, your savings quietly loses value. Bitcoin was designed as the answer to this. There is no bank, no CEO, no single company in charge. It runs on a global network of thousands of computers all over the world called nodes, which anybody can run, which I love. Every transaction is recorded on a public, transparent ledger called the blockchain. No one can hide it, change it, or shut it down. Here's the part, which may be obvious, that changes everything about it. There will only ever be 21 million coins. That number is written into its code and can never be changed. Not by governments, not by corporations, not by anyone. That built-in scarcity is what makes Bitcoin fundamentally different from every other form of money in history. It can't be inflated away or controlled. You can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere in the world in minutes, like a text message. No borders, no permission, no banks asking you why you're sending it or holding it for 3 business days. Just you, the person you're sending it to, and the network. And it's beautiful. It's money that actually works like digital cash, but with the scarcity and verifiability of the internet. Now, here's what trips most people up when learning about Bitcoin or trying to decide to buy it. Buying Bitcoin on Coinbase, Kraken, or Wealthsimple doesn't mean you own the Bitcoin. It's an IOU, just like the cash in your bank. The exchange holds the actual coins. If the exchange gets hacked, goes bankrupt, or freezes accounts, your Bitcoin is at risk. Real ownership means you control the keys. That's what self-custody is all about. A hardware wallet lets you take your Bitcoin off of the exchange and hold it yourself. It's separate from the internet and that exchange. If you have your seed phrase written down, those 12 or 24 words, even if you lose or break the device, your Bitcoin is still safe. And that's the most beautiful part about it. I love that concept. The hardware wallet is just a device. The seed phrase is what actually matters, not your keys, not your coins. This is the single most important rule in Bitcoin. Bitcoin gives regular people a way out, financial sovereignty, in a world that keeps trying to take back more control. So to recap, Bitcoin is scarce, decentralized, borderless digital money that you can own. For the first time in history, humans have this option to opt out of the traditional financial system and take control.